Are you on?
You need to go stand over there.
And then I gotta get some tea.
Yes, go get your tea because you need it.
Those little legs curve, right?
Yeah, they curve.
Tell me when we start. Tell me when we're on. Tell me when we go live.
Oops. Hold on.
I just jogged 6 miles. I hope people appreciate
Jogged
this.
6
Yes, I just did my workout 6 miles.
Where did you jog 6 miles?
3 miles one way, 3 miles the other. It wasn't easy.
I don't think you would even know what that looks
This is
like.
real. This is sweat.
Sweat.
Baby, sweat. That's how we do it.
There you go. I think. Okay, I just got to make sure that when I get in there, my head doesn't cut off.
Cut it right off.
Because he's shorter than I am.
Oh, you did not go there. You did not go there. Are we on? Are we ready? Oh,
We are
no,
on.
no, we're not. We're not ready. We're not on.
Yes.
I'm not dressed.
Oh, that's right.
I need to get dressed.
Never go around. Don't walk
Where-
around the camera.
Where is my uniform, young lady?
Oh, I
Are you not the help? Who's the master chef?
You're supposed to be. The chef is supposed to be prepared.
I will wash my hands properly.
You're supposed to be prepared.
I am prepared. Do you get bonus points for this? Okay?
I seem to get bonus points all the time, and
Yeah?
I'm the one that does all the cooking.
You are in training. Oh my God.
I'm in training.
OMG.
OMG. OMG, let's say that loud.
We're on.
Yeah, we're on. You're on. You're supposed to be cooking.
Got my diva on. Got my 2-girl diva on. Can you button me up, tighten me up, satchel me? Get my Spanx going. Is this my Spank one?
You don't have Spanx on.
Because that's right, because you know what? I don't need no spanking, do I? I'll tell you what, they just jogged, what was it, like 8 miles. They just jogged 8 miles.
Earlier you said 6, now it's 8.
What's it, huh?
There you go. Fix your hat.
Hola! ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien! I have a surprise for you.
Are you ready?
No, I gotta get my tea. Oh! Yes, I am. Oh, hang on a second. Hang on a second. I am gathering my tea. My lose weight tea. The ice is slowly Can you guys hear me okay? Well, there's
Why are you
because there's people
screaming?
from other states.
There's nobody here but us. You're yelling like you're across town or something.
Just want to give
Oh,
you a
I
little
think we're
clue.
showing too much of our counter
If
today.
you notice the difference with
Right.
Yolanda when she chefs and when I chef, boy, RD, I don't have any red bowls in the way. You know why? Because an Italian chef, we know what we're doing, okay? Let me get my lose weight tea.
Well, who
Oh,
got
yeah,
all
baby.
this stuff ready?
I did.
How you did?
I think it was me. I got my lose weight tea just for me. A little people will ask about, does this really lose weight tea? Yeah. Drink one glass, it'll make you pee with your lose weight tea. Drink 2, it makes you poo. Drink 3, get slim like me.
Don't be saying anything. It doesn't need to be said on camera.
Oh, you want me to do a roll, a rhyme, a roll?
No rhyming.
No, look
I think we're good.
Drink 1 tea, it'll make me pee. If I really want to hit, I drink 2 and it will make me it.
Don't say it. You don't need to know that. We're like, this is a cooking. Where'd you get that from?
Woo! Stokes give it to me. Hey, I big old shout out to all the mothers out there. Happy Mother's Day, because today is Mother's Day.
What does it say? Mark's what?
Don't read it out loud.
But what does it say?
Every time I break windy, I'm supposed to play that.
Nice.
Okay.
Only you and Stokes would think of having music.
Guess what my favorite cousin got for me? She knew.
Who's your favorite cousin?
The one that mailed it to me. Remember
The
Rachel?
thing is, you already got
No,
it. I already got you what you needed.
We have variety. It's Italian Day. We have variety today.
Italian Day.
Let me show you what. Let me show you that.
Don't walk in front of the camera.
No, they want to see my face.
No, they don't.
Hey! Whoa! Oh, watch this. Here we go. Ready?
You're
Okay.
insane.
Watch this. Ready? Here. Okay.
What are you
Take
gonna
the
do?
white one off. Take the white one off. We're going to go with vulture, different colors today. You have to decide.
God.
Oh, and my red day because I'm red today. Am I ready? Because I'm red. Watch this. Like a magician. Ready? Close your eyes and watch this. Go now. Go now. Swap it. Swap it. Pull the drape over me like it looks like a magic trick. All right. Magic.
That one was not
Let me tell you.
fixed.
I am out of breath.
Yeah, you haven't done anything.
I ran 10 miles.
You haven't
I just
done
ran 10
any-
miles.
You haven't even started cooking and you're already out of breath.
I ran 10 miles just a few minutes ago, okay?
Okay,
So we
wait.
go with black, red, or white?
We went from 6 miles, 8 miles to 10. And you haven't even moved.
I didn't say that. I never said 6 or 8.
Yes, you did.
I know what you're talking about.
You started out with 6.
I don't know what you're talking
Now
about.
You're on it. You're
I
already
drink my tea.
Hey.
It makes me see
What are you doing
what
today?
Italian cook I'm gonna be for thee. Come on, we gotta do this. Oh, a poem time. We gotta do a poem.
Oh my God.
You do the poem.
I'm not doing a poem. I didn't prepare a poem.
You don't prepare.
I don't make up poems. I'm not.
Well, okay,
I'm
that-
not
welcome to
good
studio.
at that in school, and I'm not going to be good at it on the spot. Why am I going to lie?
Okay, we gotta do the welcome. Oh, can you introduce me? Like a
Well,
professional?
you're already here.
Yeah, but there's
people,
nobody-
People already saw you.
No, but I want to do a grand entrance.
Oh, what is your grand entrance?
I haven't make it up yet. Go. Go. Oh, no, wait, I got a voiceover. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Studio 53, where live from you comes Conversations with Mark and Yolanda. Not only is it live, welcome your master chef, Mr. Mark Yuzuik. Whoa, easy. Easy. Thank you, guys. No, I appreciate you. You have to do all that. I can't believe that, man. That's it.
I'm just amazed at how you can
No.
introduce yourself.
I didn't, that wasn't me. I didn't introduce myself.
I mean, people know your voice.
No, that wasn't me. No, it wasn't.
Oh, that was your twin brother?
No, that was Jay Leno. I
Jay Leno.
had asked, I pulled a favor, and I said, Jay, do me a favor, introduce me. He's like, yeah, no problem. Okay, thanks, Jay. Appreciate you. Thanks
Jay
for tuning in.
Leno is interested in doing your show. Introducing you. Oh my God. You're insane.
Today is my Bill, brother-in-law's birthday.
Your Bill.
Brother-in-law. So we want to sing a big old happy birthday to Kenny.
Now we're
In
singing.
Italian.
No, how about we just play a song?
Oh, let's
how
do-
about
let's
we
do
just
the
play the
Mexican
happy
one.
birthday song for
Let's
you?
do the Mexican one.
Oh, Mexican. What's the Mexican one?
Feliz Clupiano, soba, soba, soba. El pollo loco, that's where we are. Singing happy birthday to a Kenny.
I don't think
That's the way it goes. I'm pretty sure I've rehearsed it. I've been working. I've been listening to El Taxi.
Taxi.
Come on, man, on Taxi. Okay, here we got it. Guess what today
That's
is?
about all you know from that song.
Next week.
Next week.
I don't see your hat. You know why?
I don't
You're
need
gonna
a
get
hat.
a.
I'm not the chef.
I'm gonna get you a
apparently.
master. I'm gonna make you a master chef. Yolanda's gonna be
I don't
graduating
need
to a
a hat
master
to be a
chef.
chef. I know that I am. I don't need the outfit.
You have to earn this outfit. It's not given. Okay,
You
first of all,
haven't earned it. You haven't cooked a single thing.
I've been coaching.
This is like what, our 4th time cooking, and you haven't cooked a single thing.
Homemade. Can you please tune into the homemade pretzel routine? When I made homemade pretzel and we sold out of my whole, it was $997
You
for
sold
the
out
recipe.
what?
The recipe, $997. They got a free spoon. They got the ingredients.
What are we making today?
Am I Italian? Am I Italian?
Yeah, you are.
I'm making some spaghetti sauce. Italian. Now I'm gonna do 2 kinds. I've got a friend coming over later. He's vegetarian. And what I want to do is I want to say, because I put sausage in mine. You're Italian, you put a little sausage in there. Sweet Italian sausage. So I said, can I make you one with vegetarian? So if you notice, we have over here 2 pots. Can you see from back there? Here at Studio 54, we're on a low budget. So the ingredients you're going to need. Now I'm going to make twice as much as normal. We've got. I have to go closer.
No, you don't. All you have to, honey, no, you don't. All you have to do is say tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce.
Need 2 cans, 28 ounces.
2 cans of 20. Now he has an allergy to tomatoes.
Why are you like way up there?
It's my sexy look. It's my good reason.
Anyways, then you need
How you
tomato
doing, huh?
puree, the same. You need
Tomatoes.
2 28-ounce cans.
Doodles, huh? You put doodles in there. You get yourself a little recipe. So,
And then you need 2 cans, 12 ounces of the tomato paste.
tomato paste.
Now, I didn't put any of that in the recipe because Mark didn't have all the directions.
That's not true.
Yes, it is.
The directions are from here,
No.
coming out of here, my heart.
He's never made this.
My friend has an allergy to
He's
tomatoes.
never made this.
So I told him there's no tomatoes in
He's
this.
never made it.
So
He's
we're not
never
going to tell
made
him.
this.
What are you talking about? So we got
Oh,
here.
okay, when was the last time you made spaghetti sauce?
How long have we been together? How long have we been together?
This is
Made-
his idea of making spaghetti
Oh,
sauce.
no, give me that right now. This is Yolanda. I cannot believe you did that. Girl, you just ruined. I don't think I'm going to give you the chef hat now. I
That's
think
his
you just
idea
lost
of
it.
making spaghetti sauce. He's never made this sauce before. He just got the recipe from his mom.
No, it's a secret recipe. How long? May 29th will be 12 years.
Wait a minute, it was a secret recipe.
12 years now. Yeah, I'm on me, Mom.
Don't change the subject.
Yeah, I'm on.
You've never made this
You
spaghetti.
make me feel brand new.
Oh my God. It's not time for
God
our
bless
anniversary
me
yet.
and you. Okay, so let's get back to business, okay? This is our cooking show. We're doing twice as much here. We got tomato puree. If you got a friend that's got an allergy to tomatoes, tell them there's no tomatoes.
Tomato puree, not puree.
I'm saying it so
Puree.
non-Italian people can understand. Okay? Tomato sauce. Okay? That's the New York in me. And then tomato paste. We're tripling it. The other ingredients.
No, you're not tripling it. We
What
are
did I say?
doubling it.
That's what I said. I said doubling it.
No.
I didn't say triple.
We're making double
what you're
because
talking
we
about.
decided we were going to make double
Okay,
the spaghetti
so
sauce.
here's the 4 ingredients that we're going to use besides the tomato. Garlic powder. The reason we're using garlic powder is because garlic salt can be a little too much salt. The other thing we're going to use is we're going to use a little bit of onion powder. And the way you do it is you got to sprinkle it and let the air hit as it flows down. It's a rain in powder. Oh, hallelujah. And then the other thing we use is Italian seasoning. We can get at any local hardware store, and oregano. we don't measure here in Italy, okay? We just do it right. So let me do this. Let me get my assistant, Yolanda. Can you get our tomato pot? I'll be on that. Oh, we know what we got to do is we're making
I got
sausage.
to cook the sausage.
So what we're doing is we're putting sweet Italian sausage in. Now for my vegetarian friend, we're going to make the pot first of the sauce, mix it all together, then I'm going to have a separate pot without any meat in here. So you can do vegetarian if you want. You can put any vegetables you want. You can do zucchini, you can do mushrooms, you can do any vegetable that you want. This one we're making it plain. You still can add anything that you want. So we're going to simmer it.
You know what?
The ice just fell. We're going to cook it. Here's my little secret recipe. For about 5 or 6 hours. First, we're going to boil everything together, and we cook the sausage separate. You brown the sausage.
Wait. You ground the sausage?
Brown.
Oh. I was going to say, you don't ground the sausage.
And then you wonder why she didn't get a hat. She got her hat taken away
I
once.
don't care about that.
Next week we're doing a cook-off. Nobody knows what I'm cooking.
Oh, is it next week
Next
already?
week. And I'll tell you why. Because if I tell anybody why, then it's going to leak out. So no one knows what I'm cooking.
Well, what do you mean it's going to leak out?
Honey, I have 6,533,000 followers. You don't think someone's going to leak it?
Honey, we have to let them know
Okay.
what we're cooking because
No.
if somebody wants to make it,
No. You will learn. I'm gonna get up early. I'm gonna prepare it right in front of you, like a master, like we're painting, and then like real cooking shows. Because here's Studio 53. Our budget's a little low. We didn't get our raise in our budget, have we? No.
there is no budget.
Exactly. And then I'm gonna have it. If it's gonna be barbecued, oven, cold, I don't know. I can't leak it out because my 7 million followers
I'm
might
going to
leak it.
brown. I have the sausages cooking. Mr. Talker here, who will talk forever.
No, I'm not.
We're
I'm
going to get
Italian.
this started because otherwise, the 5 hours. I don't think our friend is going to sit here for 5 hours and wait. For
My
the sauce
Aunt
to
Kay
be
is
done.
watching, and she's Italian
Yeah, but we're
and
not.
German. My Uncle Ralph is probably not watching. but my cousin
Okay,
Rachel
anyway,
is.
we're gonna let him keep talking to himself. I'm gonna show you. I'm just gonna put everything into this ginormous. Right, you just put everything in here, right?
Are you asking the master for some?
Well, because you're not doing anything, and people are waiting.
No.
People are watching.
Okay, now we're getting somewhere. That's truth. That's the truth.
No, we're not
Asking
getting
the master. No.
We're not getting anywhere. We're still talking. You're
No.
not doing any cooking.
No. Okay, you.
Okay.
Because of your great and humbleness and that you realize where the talent comes from, I'm gonna give you a chance to get your chef out.
What talent? Where's the talent?
Okay. Oh, excuse me?
I'm like the only talent here. You're right.
Wait.
You're right on that.
Do you hear that? That's
Anyway.
my heart crying. All right, let me open
So
this
we
up.
put everything into this.
Mix it all in there. Mix it in there. We use one of these because those electric ones take a lot of electricity. Things are a little tight financially right now.
I don't like the electric
So what we do is
anyway, so be quiet about
we're trying to cut back on our electric bill. You can save almost 0.1% by opening all these up by
Oh
hand.
my God.
So those are the budget. Hey, that's the way we do it, huh? Okay. So here, are you scooping it out there with the?
Right here.
I can't. I got 2 hands full. I'm not an octopus. Thank you. Oh, you just did that.
No, now you're gonna scrape out all the sauce.
I think I'm bleeding.
No, that's just sauce.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
my God,
Oh,
you're
okay.
so dramatic. You're obviously not gonna be. You are. We don't have any knives today. I don't think we're chopping anything, are we?
No, we're just gonna put the sausage in. You can do if you want any vegetables.
You already said that. And you can also put any kind of meat you want. You can put turkey if you don't want to do the sausage.
Hang on, that's not the secret recipe.
Or you can put
no, you can't.
ground beef.
No, you cannot. No, then it's not my recipe.
Honey,
Dude,
it's, okay,
what?
once they make the secret sauce, they can put whatever they want in
Okay,
it.
I think you're taking advantage because I just drive for 12 miles.
If you want to put
Okay.
meat, like ground beef, you can put ground beef. If you want to put ground turkey, you can put ground turkey. If you don't want to put any meat, you can also do that. Don't listen to Mark. I know he's behind me doing these gestures.
No, I wasn't, baby. I was cleaning the
Don't
dishes.
listen to Mark.
I was cleaning the dishes. I was helping out. Hey,
We will be here all day if I just let him
oh,
continue
there
to
you go.
chatter about nothing. So we're gonna put all this tomato. I think this is a lot of paste.
Yeah, you know what? Yeah, it is what it is, eh?
All right.
You gotta do it my way,
Your
huh?
sister said this is what we needed.
Oh, I
so-
thought it was my mother's recipe. Now it's my sister's? Oh, so
No,
you're
but you
taking away?
confirmed the recipe with your sister.
Okay, so how long have we been
Because you
together?
weren't sure.
How long have we been together? Uh-oh.
How long has food been together?
You and I, 12 years, May 29th. When's the last time I made this? It was 13 years ago. Because I knew as soon as I make it, boom,
Wait a minute.
she'll steal it.
You made it 13 years ago? That's a
I
lie.
used to make it like once a week.
Liar.
Yeah, maybe once a week.
Okay, if you used to make it once a week, how come you didn't know the recipe already?
No, I knew it. I wanted to make sure that my sister and mother still knew it. It's because, hey,
No.
oh, it's my mom's birthday today. Happy birthday, Mom. She's 47. Happy
No,
birthday,
it's
Mom.
not your mother's birthday.
She's 47 today.
It's not your mom's birthday. It's your brother-in-law's. You just got done saying. It is Happy Mother's Day today. That is for sure.
Yeah, my mom's been my mom for my whole life. It's kind of cool.
Oh, wow, you think?
Yeah.
Your whole life.
Yep. Okay, so now we're gonna mix it in. I'm gonna show you.
No, don't do that. You're not gonna tilt
Should
it
I
over.
should I bring the phone over here? I mean the camera. The
No.
camera over here.
Oh.
It's a big, heavy camera.
People can see that we put all the sauce in here, and now we're just mixing it up because this puree is.
I put all the sauce.
I mean
in.
the paste is really thick.
Okay, let's brown it. So are we browning? What's going on here? Gotta brown it.
You gotta let it cook up. Yes. Okay. So I'm gonna put this on the heat now.
It's very important to put your tools
I
away.
think you're supposed to let it simmer for like. What did you say? 5 hours? That's how long.
Well, you want it, yeah, you want to
Okay.
simmer it on low.
We should have
First you
started
bring
at
it
6
to
in the morning if we're gonna have lunch with this.
We got to know what you do is you bring it to a boil and then you lower it on simmer. You don't put the sausage in until after the sausage is brown. Once it's brown, then you put the sausage in and let it simmer for 5 hours. This will give the flavor. The other thing you want to do is we've got our oregano right here. Oh, Oregano, because Yolanda
They
puts
can
some.
see it.
Not with your red bowl in the way, girl. You don't know me.
There is no bowl in front of
Oregano.
us.
And what I do is I like to grab about a little pinch of it, which comes to about a tablespoon.
No, he doesn't.
And, just go over. Just go over.
He
And
doesn't,
I've
even,
got
he
it.
doesn't even know what a pinch is.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Because every time I get pinched, I know I'm alive because I'm with you, and it's like a dream. I thought, oh Lord, the angels came down and gave me a beautiful.
Okay,
woman.
what are you holding
So
there?
this is Italian seasoning. You want a tablespoon of that, and it's hard to say tablespoon because we really don't measure. What we do is kind of just boom.
Okay,
And
when
then
he
we
says
have-
we, he means his mother. His mother never measures the garlic and the oregano and the.
You had it up? Did you have to look?
Yes, I've never made this.
Oh.
I'm being honest. I've never made spaghetti sauce.
Well, that's your problem. Is don't be honest. Okay.
I'm
The
not
other
Italian,
one is
I'm Mexican.
onion powder. You're
Italian food.
You told me you were
I love
Italian.
Italian food, but pasta does not. Is not my friend.
Garlic powder. One
I can eat
tablespoon.
pasta once a month.
Give her
Otherwise-
gas.
Nope,
Does it?
that's your problem.
Gives me gas.
My problem is that it feels like I ate a pound of
Yeah. See,
dough
it
when I
affects
eat
people
too much
differently.
pasta.
So what we're gonna do is,
We
go ahead. I'm stirring everything over here. Can you get?
stop screaming! Jesus Christ, I can hear you. Oh my
Can you bring the camera closer because I want to bring it. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring all of my dishes.
All your dishes or all your ingredients?
I call them dishes over here.
All right.
And our friend that's coming over, don't tell him there's tomatoes in here. Tell him that it's something else because he's had an allergy to tomatoes. But we have an EpiPen we're going to stick him with him when he comes in. We're gonna hug him. Oh, hi. Then have dinner.
We're not gonna EpiPen anybody.
We're not?
No, we're not.
We'll tell him he got stung by a bee.
Okay, so get out of the way.
So what we got here is...
Wait, I'm gonna flip the camera around because the chef is.
Hang on. Flip it to you for a second. All right, flip it to you for a second.
Okay, apparently he's decided to do.
Don't tell him. Which way
I don't know what he's doing. He's a chef, so he can do whatever he wants because he's apparently not very. What are you doing?
I want to see if they recognize it.
Okay,
go back.
like they're not gonna recognize you.
So what I've done is...
Okay, so they're
like
not
a
gonna
magician.
recognize you. Okay.
I'm a magician right now.
Apparently he.
So stirring that...
Apparently he changed. I don't know what he
You
changed.
did?
But
Oh, did you
anyway,
notice?
so there's the seasonings that we need. There's the sausages getting brown, and there's him trying to stir the.
So what I've got is...
Why don't you not stir the sauce with a spatula and do it with a spoon instead?
Because it's red and I have a red hat on. When I have my black,
What does that have to do with
I
anything?
gotta change hats again.
Okay, you are obviously not
Here we go. What do I stir it with? This.
with a spoon. What do you mean? What do I stir it with?
This is on your exam, Yolanda. I want to make sure you get it right. So I've got another pot here for a vegetarian.
Well, I hope
sauce.
our friend doesn't get sick
Shh.
from this.
Don't worry about it. Don't tell him. Don't tell him. He's a nice guy. He's young enough. He'll recover. So happy birthday to my brother-in-law, Kenny. Kenny, happy birthday to you. Ooh. And guess whose else birthday's today? John. Happy birthday, John.
John who?
There's just got to be some guy named John that said birthday.
You're just making it up.
No, I didn't make it up. I said John. Like,
You
oh,
don't even know. You're saying John, but John who?
John, that guy, our friend, our best friend.
How many
Hey.
Johns do you know?
Yeah, I just jogged 14 miles, okay? I'm a little out
You
of breath.
what?
Huh?
Now you ran 14
I didn't
miles?
say ran, I said jogged.
You've been standing here and
Before
you haven't
I was
you
up-
haven't even moved.
I got up at 6 a.m. to get my health in.
In your dreams, you got up at 6 a.m. That would be...
What are you talking about?
Okay, so when do you put the seasoning in there?
What I'm going to do is, I just wanted to mix it all in really good because with the puree and the sauce and the paste.
It's just tomato. It doesn't matter if you put in the seasonings now or later.
So what I'm going to do is, at the advice of the
chef.
up and coming chef, that I was gonna watch
Up
my
and
blessing.
coming.
So it's very wow. We got a situation here.
Oh,
Okay, we
well,
got-
now you got to move it off the heat because you're
what
letting
happened?
you're letting it sit.
We got
on
a
the heat.
geyser.
Now
We
you-
just had a geyser.
now you made a mess.
We had a geyser.
That's what that is.
Oh, now I made the mess.
Well, you are the chef. I'm the one holding
true.
the camera.
No, she got a point. She does have a point. Okay, so how do I do this? I'm gonna put it on low.
I'm certainly not the one making the mess.
I'm gonna put it on.
Somebody wants to know how much wine was involved. I haven't had any wine. I might need some pretty soon.
I don't whine.
Mark
Okay?
doesn't drink wine. That would be interesting if he did. Let's.
I think I'm bleeding again.
You're bleeding again? No, you just splattered sauce on yourself.
So here, notice how it's coming. Okay, I'm gonna lower it a
I
little
said
bit.
take it off the heat and put the stuff in there, because you're not mixing it. Oh my God, we're gonna be here forever. Okay,
I'm doing it
so
right.
just take all your seasonings and throw them in the pot. I will show you,
Go ahead.
because Mark's gonna be here forever with the garlic. So
And then what
there
you
we
do
go.
is if you could sift it through your fingers,
No, you
like
don't.
that.
You don't need to sift it.
Yeah. See what? Look how pretty it looks now.
Don't listen to him.
Okay. So now what I've
'Cause
got
you can
is
see he already made a mess, and we haven't even gotten anything done.
I want to stir. It's my
All right, so
secret
you just mix it. It's not your secret recipe.
It's my secret recipe.
Oh no! You don't mix it like that.
This is
There's a
that was
yes.
that was a test to see if you
You're
didn't know how to mix it.
you're not 5 mixing a sauce. Just mix everything in.
Mix it
Here's the
over.
thing.
Here's the thing.
Because we don't know how much of each.
We don't. I do.
Okay, whatever.
I do.
He doesn't know how much of the
I need
seasoning
to
we
brown
use.
this. I need to brown this. So I need to
I'm
kind of
looking at the
burn it a little
sauce.
bit.
I'm looking at the sauce, and I might add a little bit more of the seasoning, Italian seasoning, and the oregano, just because it's so much sauce. And I don't think a tablespoon is enough.
We have a little bit.
And this looks really, really thick. Oh.
Okay, here we
Okay.
go. So let's do this. Let's take some sauce.
Okay, we're gonna let all of this. No, we're gonna let it. No, leave it like that for a minute.
Okay, we're gonna
I
take
need you
that out.
to hold that and go back over there. So
Here we
go
go.
talk to them or something.
Okay, you're on live in
What did
4,
you put?
3, 2, bam, here it is.
Did you put all the ingredients away?
Right
Okay.
there. That's what it is.
So I'm just gonna add.
Here we
a little
go.
more.
I want you to add a little more of the Italian right there. Just a little, whoa, a little more. That's it right there, okay? Which makes it an extra teaspoon.
Probably,
Okay,
Probably, yeah.
I got it. Don't worry, I'm flipping over my Italian wieners right now. There, you know, you can say what you want to say. If it looks like a duck, walk like a duck, act like a duck, I'm calling it a duck. What's that look like to you? A duck.
Okay, you need to. All right, you need to let me.
Honey, I think you over-seasoned it.
No, I don't think I did.
I don't think Jesus is going to be very happy with you right now.
I think.
Okay, you got to constantly flip it.
I think I know
One
more
side,
about
flip it.
seasoning than you do, considering I'm Mexican and we season.
Yes, this is not a
we season
Mexican
everything.
dish. This is an Italian dish.
Yeah, but we Mexicans season everything.
Okay, I got my sausage going. That's sweet Italian sausage. Debbie Dahmer's watching. Oh my God, Debbie Dahmer. Hi, Debbie.
Oh my God. Okay.
I did get out of jail. I was in jail a couple weeks ago. I think you guys saw that when I went to jail.
Lying?
Huh?
I'm not in jail.
I didn't go to jail. I drove by a jail a few weeks ago. Is what I meant to say.
Go over there with the camera and start.
Hang on.
talking. You don't
Studio
need- you don't
53
need
here.
to- you don't need to-
Okay, let's stir this.
You're making a mess.
Let's stir it.
Oh my God, you're like all over the place.
I'm stirring.
I'm gonna fire you with my.
You can't fire me. I'm the head chef. I'm the one giving you the certificate. I think you put too much seasoning in here.
I probably did not.
Okay.
I guarantee that.
Pretty sure. Pretty sure. Anyway, it's pretty simple.
That's it. So
Pretty
now
simple.
we
Now
let it-
you let it kind of boil a little bit, not much, and then simmer
Are
it.
you sure it's supposed to be this thick?
Yeah, it will loosen up. It'll loosen up.
Tomato doesn't loosen up.
Might have.
I think you might have put in too much paste.
Pretty sure we did.
No, I'm pretty sure you did. That's not my recipe.
Nope. Pretty sure wasn't going to put it in there, and you made me. You made me. No, we're doing good now. Now it's cooking. Now we're cooking. Look at that, huh? And you get a little bread in there.
That's all. That's
Okay, let's. We got it stirred up here. Time for some wine, women in song. I got the woman
We're gonna have
here.
some wine.
I can't
We're gonna
drink
have
wine.
some wine pretty soon.
I can't drink wine.
It's okay. I have somebody to drink wine with.
Yeah, but he's allergic to tomatoes.
we're not gonna have tomatoes.
If you have red wine, what do you think red wine comes from? Tomatoes.
We're just gonna have
No.
white wine.
Okay, let's get ourselves another,
Okay.
right over here, baby girl. Cook off next week. Okay, here we go.
Come up with my secret recipe that's gonna win.
What do you think? Huh? What are you looking for? Huh?
A little bit of salt.
A little bit of salt's gonna make it fine. A little bit of salt won't make it mine, because Yolanda wants to ruin it in her time. Don't listen to what she's doing.
You gotta put salt in it. It's gotta have some flavor. I don't know. I think it might need some more tomato sauce.
Let's go ahead and turn this off right there. I'm turning that off. I'm turning the sausage off. It's brown enough. It'll cook inside the sauce itself. Don't put it in there yet. We gotta make a vegetarian dish, which is kind of cool because you got the options doing this.
You have it flip towards you?
No,
Okay, so you flip it towards you now and then go over there.
I can't go that way. How do you do that? How do you do the flipping thing?
Hi, right there.
Welcome to Studio 50. Oh, I'm going to change my hat to white hat.
Oh my God.
Okay. Here we go. Now let's do the, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
I need to get me on there. And let's go ahead and push them in this pot now. So
You don't need the camera.
we don't need this much big of a pot, huh?
Is he gonna eat that much sauce?
You don't know the guy. Hey, you don't know him.
Why did you turn this off?
Because it's already done.
No, they're not. They're still
All right.
browning.
We got my friend coming over here. We're going to a littler pot. He's a big guy, though. Got a big guy.
Oh, I think you might need another can
There
of
we go.
tomato sauce in there.
That's going to be my pasta cooking pot.
I don't think you did. I don't think you.
Okay, here we go. What are you looking for, baby?
I was looking to see if I have another tomato sauce.
Okay, let's scoop it in here. You gotta separate it.
How much are you gonna put in here? So that's it, right? This is all you do.
That's it. No, and then what you do is you put the put the sausage in the actual tomato sauce and let it simmer for 5 hours, 4 to 5 hours. And throughout the day, what you want to do is get some bread and dip it in there, and it's the mwah. So a little more sauce than that.
No, I think that's good.
A little more. Because once we can always put it back in there when it's done.
There you go.
He says he's a salsaholic.
I thought you said he was allergic to tomatoes.
Yeah, but it's
and
not
then now you're
tomatoes.
going to give him a ton of sauce.
There's no tomato in there.
That makes no sense.
There's no tomato in there.
Anyway. Anyway, he's
All right.
allergic to tomatoes, but we're going to give him an extra large pot of
Are
tomatoes.
we? Let's put this in here now. Are we ready to put our sausage in there?
Don't you have to cut it?
We can cut it in half. Let's just cut it in half. I'm going to cut it in half. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut it in half.
No, you cut it in pieces, honey.
No,
Yes, you got to cut it in pieces. You don't want big chunks of sausage in there.
I'm going to go and cut it in pieces.
Obviously, no, you're not doing this.
I don't want a lot of big chunks in there. So
Why are you putting it on a plate? We don't
Cut
cut. We don't cut on a plate.
no, I'm not going to cut it on a plate. I don't want to bring a plate. I changed my mind on the
Anyway.
thing.
I am going to cut the sausages.
Whoa, we got
Take
it.
this off the cheese.
There we go.
That is cooking up.
There we go. That's good enough, baby. That's good enough. That's good enough.
Stop it!
I've done this before. I've done this.
No, you haven't. I'm the one that does it all the time. I'm the one that makes you
Bring
spaghetti
it over
and
here.
sausage.
Put those little wiener-looking things on there, right there.
Oh my God! Stop saying that word.
What? It's Oscar Mayer wiener. These are
No,
Oscar Mayer
it's not
sausages.
Oscar Mayer anything. It's sausage.
Come on. It's the only time you can actually get away with saying that word. Okay, so what you do is you have a fork utensil like this, and you slice it like this with the grain.
No, you don't.
You can go along.
Okay, don't listen to anything he says. Seriously, just ignore everything he says.
This is my.
And just agree for like 2 seconds.
No, this
and
is my secret recipe.
And then just cut it however you want.
Cut it all the way through. Though you want to make sure you cut it all the way through.
All the way through. What? Well, how
You're
else are they
making
going
them
to
too
cut
small.
it into chunks?
You're making them too small, baby.
No,
Trust me.
You don't want big chunks.
You cut after it seasons because it's going to fall apart in the sauce if you do it like that. Trust me.
Get out of the way.
Cut it in half, baby.
I have made
No. Seriously, cut it in half.
enough for you.
Cut it in
enough
half.
times.
Yolanda, trust me on this. Cut it in half.
There.
You're cutting it too big. It's going to fall apart in the sauce otherwise. So you want to just cut it in half. Cut these
Wait a
three in
minute.
half.
You told me that if I cut it too small, it's going to fall apart. If I cut it too big, it's going to fall apart.
No.
Which is it?
No. I said cut it in half, and then what you do is after it simmers, then you want to. Watch. This is how you do is cut it in half. Is all you do. This, I'm telling you.
He's never done this. He's never done this.
There you go. That, baby. Look at that. Now you put them in there, and you'll see the difference. I have 6 of mine in there. Okay.
I'm not eating sausage, so I don't care how many
Here we go.
pieces you have.
So what you do now
I don't
is
even know why you're counting them.
you put them in here, and you let them simmer. Dunk them. And that will simmer.
Maybe you needed more sausage than that for that.
You told me one pack.
Well, because I didn't realize that you were making triple
Okay.
of the...
Okay, here's what we do. You know what we do?
No, we don't do anything.
Don't do anything. Do we have more
We-
sausage? Can I put more sausage in
We
there?
let it simmer on low.
Hey,
You
do we
put
have
it on
another-
low, honey?
Yeah, put it on low.
Do you cover it?
Yes, you're supposed to cover it.
All right, so we...
Definitely cover it. Where's our other sausages at?
Okay. So now we're going to let that simmer for, I don't
We have
know,
another
forever, I
sausage?
guess. According to Mark, 5 hours.
Yeah. Do we have
So
another
we won't
sausage?
be eating till midnight.
Hey, do we have another sausage? Yolanda, do we have any more?
Honey, stop.
Where's the other sausage?
I don't think we have any more.
No, I bought 2 packs. Is
We
there...
only got one.
No, I did. I bought 2.
That's a bratwurst.
Is it in the back refrigerator?
Okay, I don't know where it's at. We're not gonna look for it now that we're on live TV looking for food right now.
Live, brought to you
should have
here.
been prepared.
You
No,
told
you're a
me
very
when.
unprepared cook. I'm sorry. Here's your lose weight tea. Enjoy it.
My tea.
Anyway, now you just let it simmer for 5 hours. Yes. Hallelujah. We're done.
Yeah, let it simmer for 5 hours, 5-6 hours. You can taste it throughout the day. It's already pretty much just warming up right now. You get the reason you let it simmer is because you want the sauces to get through the flavor of the sauce.
I don't know what he's talking about.
Yeah, no, oh no. And what we do
Apparently
is,
he's the Italian chef.
for anybody like to have this secret recipe, it's
They already have it. I
it's-
already wrote down the ingredients. It's not a
Are you
secret
serious?
recipe anymore.
we were going to sell it.
No, but we're not selling a recipe
It's
right now.
$850.
No, we're not.
It came with the seasoning and everything. I was going to throw in the seasoning and everything. Well, so much for that one. Apparently, next week is the big challenge. Yolanda against Mark. That's why they call it Cooking with Mark and Yolanda. And she can maybe even earn her hat. Are you ready for this? It's a big step.
I don't need a hat. I don't like hats to begin with, so I'm definitely not going to be wearing a chef's hat.
Do you want to borrow my diva thing? I got a diva.
That's not yours, that's mine. You kind of stole my diva
It's the only one I have.
apron, but that's okay. I don't care.
Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to sign off. If you like this, we're going to come back on when it's time for dinner. We're going to taste it and let you know, did we not follow the directions?
I don't know. I have a feeling he didn't follow the directions. But
I did.
That's just my opinion.
I did.
I don't know.
I did. You know what I say? We say Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there.
Yes,
happy
happy Mother's
birthday.
Day.
And like,
Happy birthday. Why am I saying happy
it's
birthday?
Kenny's birthday.
Oh, well, one person. Happy birthday, Kenny.
No, there's more than one people born today.
Yeah, but I don't
It's my
think-
mom's birthday. Happy birthday, Mom.
It's not
She's
your
43 years old today.
It's not your mom's birthday, and earlier you said she was 47. Now she's
I never
43.
said that.
Yes, you did.
You know, you didn't get up at 4 in the morning and drive 14 miles a day. I did. All right.
Hence why I say do not believe anything Mark says, because it
Conversations.
changes throughout the
Hey!
day.
Oh, check this out. We are getting ready, I think next week, we're going to send everybody a Stop Stress audio program for free. We're getting ready to do our Lose Weight seminar, our program live. Just finished the webinar. You want to go stop that boiling and porking back there?
Yeah, we got it.
So we're going to do that,
Yeah.
and my total transformation, my 2-day, we're going to do live. It's a shorter version. Where were you December? Where were you in March? And where are you going to be in September? There's some things that maybe you can set yourself up to be successful and get rid of the stress. And instead of how to handle the situations going on right now. I know a lot of people out there could use our, especially the nurses out there and everybody out there, appreciate everything you've done. And those that do the lose weight seminar, it's going to be about an hour and a half long. I'm going to also give you a free $40 gift, my Eliminate Sugar and Cutting Back on Carbs. And the reason why is being at home, sometimes we put on a little weight. Yolanda, man, she freaking bought some stuff. We have 160 rolls of toilet paper.
I didn't buy that.
We're down to about 8 rolls now. I've been eating a lot. We're not? So anyway, check us out.
We haven't even opened any of the packages that you bought.
Like it, share it, follow us, and next week's going to be the big cook-off. We're doing the Stinky Fish Challenge. Yolanda said she's in. Boom.
No, I didn't.
We're in. Stinky Fish coming your way.
I am not.
Stinky Fish.
I'm not doing anything. I'm not eating anything.
This is what
I'm not
say.
touching anything with the word stinky in the front of it. So no. Mark's going to be doing that. I will be videoing and laughing my butt off.
All right, I'm doing
because I know he's not going to be able to eat it.
All right, so like us, follow us. Go to my YouTube. We're posting clips every few days. I haven't done that in a week and a half. I talked to Paul. I haven't done it since April. Well, it's already May.
No, there's been videos going up.
Really?
Yes. Anyway.
Thank you for joining us. Hypnotist Mark Yuzuik.
Happy Mother's Day.
Go to hypnotizememark.com. I will give you my free book, Creating the Life That You Want. And when you share this post, pick out any audio program you want. My gift from you for just watching. Until then, we'll see you tonight around dinner time, okay? And don't tell our
see you
friends.
at midnight when the sauce is done, simmering.
Oh, you did not go there. Girl, you did not go there. You did not go there, girl.
We'll be eating pasta at midnight for all of you. Hopefully some of you will be awake to listen to him
Can you guys see me?
brag about it.
I got my
Have a
ears
good
waxed.
day. Happy Mother's Day. Get your face out of the camera. Nobody wants to look at you that close.
I got my ears waxed the other
They
day.
don't need to know that.
Okay, I'm just telling you.
We're
All right.
cooking. Who needs to know?
If you don't know, Stinky Fish, we're trying to get it in right now. We ordered it and we're trying to get it. Can you see my lips at the corner?
Oh my God.
All right, it's happening. We'll talk to you soon. Ciao.
Okay, only Mark would pay $42 for a can of fish
It's stinky.
that smells like death.
It doesn't smell like
To
that.
do a challenge.
It's not a challenge.
I have so many other things I could spend $42 on.
Name one.
Instead of a can of
Name
stinky fish.
one.
Name one?
One thing.
A pair of shoes.
All right, that's it. She's back to the
I
shoes.
could donate $42 to the animal shelter. And
We-
they would probably use it for better things than a can of stinky fish.
We'd like to make a big old shout out to Michael Mulia for following us here. And you know what? You're a good man, Michael. I don't know where we know him from, but he's a good
He's your
man.
cousin, for God's sakes.
Yeah.
You know that.
He's my cousin.
Why
All right.
we-
Thanks, Kez. Thank God we got family out there. Nobody else is going to follow us. Like, share, and remember one thing. Keep smiling. It's a great day. Happy Mother's Day. Blessings to all of you. Till you tonight. See ya. Bye-bye.